Hi, my name's Cody. I am the owner of Bear Claw Media. I am also the... So this is an intro to marketing funnels. Most people have seen a sales funnel. This has also been called a sales funnel. It's also called a conversion funnel. But it's basically how you get customer from point A to point B, which point B would then be your conversion. We start out with awareness, then move into consideration. You then fall down into the comparison section. You hit conversion, which is the point of sale, and then you finally round it out with reflection and delight. This 5-step process is exactly what happens when you take a customer from finding out who you are to becoming a lifetime customer. In awareness, you're specifically trying to do just that. Build awareness, get your name in front of people. The next point is consideration. Now, it's crucial that you get your content in front of these individuals who have now heard your name. We pass comparison and we hit conversion. Now, in conversion, this is the time where that individual purchases your product or your service. This is also where the POS happens, the point of sale. Now we finish out our funnel, which is very, very bottom, which is reflect and delight. At this moment, your customer has already purchased from you and they want to know, was this worth it? Was this a good purchase? This is the point where you get a lot of buyer's remorse. The unfortunate thing is that if you have not done a strong enough job throughout the entire funnel to remove all buyer's remorse, then you've actually probably lost a lifetime customer. And then you have delight. The delight portion is where you actually create a lifetime customer. Reflection and delight is the most important step if you want return customers. If you want customers that tell your company name to other people and how much they've loved working with you. So if you're interested in finding this out, keep watching. We're going to go through each step of the way, and I'm going to give you some examples on what you can do to better impact your potential customers. If you have not already, which you most likely haven't, subscribe to this channel, like this video. If you have somebody that you truly think could benefit from this information, click the share button and send it to them. I would love to help them on their journey. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a future video.